On this last page, we're going to kind of do the same thing. We do not need to define a variable for x and y, but it does say we're going to describe the association. It reminds us of which words we're going to use: linear, nonlinear, positive, negative, weak, moderate, strong, maybe even perfect. We're also going to identify clusters and or outliers. So for the first one, I would say that this is a good example of a perfect negative linear association. It's not imperative or critical that you say the word perfect first, but you do just want to make sure that you have those three descriptors of perfect, negative, and linear. As we get into more of these, though, you will start to see that there might be some ambiguity and maybe some variance on what people might call it. This one is negative, it goes down. It does not look linear, and therefore could be interpreted as maybe weak or moderate, although there are curves in math that we haven't studied that would match this pretty closely. So I'm going to say that this is a non-linear, strong, negative association, in that I think there is a curve that could match this pretty closely. And as you'll notice on that example, I did not necessarily use the word, I didn't use the word negative in the front this time, or the word strong. Last one that we're going to look at, and then you're going to try the other three. Number 12. So this one is positive. I would say that this is either weak or moderate. I'm going to say moderate. And it sort of looks linear, maybe hard to determine, but I'll say linear for this one. This one definitely will probably have varying answers on this. And then we are also going to go through and circle any clusters of data. You might circle, plus or minus a point here or there. And then we're going to look for any outliers, like those points.